What causes Epson printer to not print despite ink levels being full?
Hello there, tech troubleshooters. Today, we're tackling a common yet frustrating issue. Why isn't your Epson printer printing even though the ink levels are full? There could be several reasons for this, so we'll break them down and provide solutions.
Is it a software issue?
The first thing we need to check is if there's a software issue. Your Epson printer needs to communicate with your computer properly, and sometimes, driver or software updates might cause issues. First, ensure your printer driver is up to date. If you've recently updated your operating system, you may need to update the printer driver as well. Secondly, check if the printer is set as the default printer in your system settings. If not, your print jobs might be sent to another device.
Could it be a connectivity problem?
The second common culprit is connectivity issues. Are your devices communicating correctly? Check your USB or Ethernet connection. If the cable is damaged or loose, it might be the source of the problem. For wireless printers, ensure you're on the same network as your printer and the Wi-Fi signal is strong enough.
Is there an issue with the print head?
Even with full ink levels, a clogged or misaligned print head can prevent your printer from printing. Run a print head cleaning cycle using the Epson software on your computer. This will help clear out any dried ink. If the problem persists, you might need to align the print head. Follow your printer manual's instructions to do so.
Are you using genuine Epson ink cartridges?
Lastly, not all ink is created equal. Using genuine Epson ink cartridges ensures the best quality and performance. Some non-genuine or refilled cartridges might not work as expected, even if they show as being full. If you've been using non-genuine cartridges, try switching to Epson-branded cartridges to see if it resolves the issue. And that's it. We've covered the main reasons why your Epson printer might not be printing even though the ink levels are full. Remember, software, connectivity, print head, and ink quality are all important aspects to consider. We hope this has helped you troubleshoot your printing issue. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!